Now, you can import data from your IFC file in just seconds, no extra tools needed. Just upload the file and instantly preview your 3D model while accessing detailed material quantities. Your model's information is neatly displayed in a data table, including material names, quantities, and more. This data is automatically brought into your project, ready to work with. Want to check something specific? Simply select an element in the model or the table to highlight it, review its details, or locate it in the 3D view. Need more details? Open the IFC Properties panel to view or add extra properties to your table. You can also import and map materials to environmental profiles and instantly get LCA or EPD results.